and welcome to another video. In this video we'll be answering viewers' questions with a video. The question is, are you able to collect any seeds from them, and if so, how is that done? The question was taken from growing asparagus seeds as early as 2017 until late 2019. Asparagus seed pods look like berries. Here in this asparagus bed we will be taking a closer look on how to recognize when an asparagus pod is ready for picking. Some of these asparagus ferns are starting to die back. You can always recognize this by the change of the color of the ferns. This is a good indication that you will most likely find pods ready for picking. Both male and female asparagus plants produce tiny, attractive flowers. However, it is primarily the female plant which makes the small, red berry-like seed pods. When a female plant falls over, the seeds have a chance to germinate in the soil and grow into a new asparagus plant. However, male asparagus plants must be present for the berries to appear on female asparagus plants. Male asparagus plants produce small bell-shaped flowers which are white, yellow or green. They also tend to produce more larger spears than female asparagus plants. This means that if you want a bigger harvest of edible asparagus spears, then you should opt for male plants. If you want to grow more asparagus seeds, you will need some female plants in your garden. However, there is a trade-off to be made. Since female asparagus plants devote energy to producing seeds, they have less energy left over for growing the edible spears. This means that the spears from female asparagus plants will be smaller, thinner, and less in numbers than those found on male plants. Clean the seeds off. Let them dry out before putting them in a jar for storage. They may be viable for 2 to 3 years, but it's best to plant them next year. These are last year's asparagus seed pods, which I have saved in a container. These seed pods contain 3 to 4 seeds. The seed pod can be directly sown into the soil, as it is, without breaking it down and removing the seeds. Alternatively, you can sow individually each seed into the soil. Starting asparagus seeds is easy, and it will save you a lot of money compared to buying pricey asparagus crowns. Asparagus seeds are quite amazing. If you accidentally drop one, you never know where it will grow. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you have not already done so, subscribe to receive more exciting future videos.